now, we get a lot of questions about what CRM and what project management tool to use when implementing new systems, especially in SMB sized businesses. And ClickUp is becoming more prevalent as a number one choice across the board. Now, when we take a look into ClickUp, it's very similar to what you will find and the functionalities you'll find with Asana and Monday and Trello and a few others, of course. So what we'll do is we'll take a quick walk into this environment, and on the left hand side, as with nearly all of the PM tools and CRMs, you'll find the navigation bar. And as you can see here, we are on the home page, and it's very similar to the home page you would find in Asana, where you have the different widgets highlighting the different type of work and assigned tasks that you have. And again, it's also very curatable. You can move your boards about and delete them at will. So it's that good place just to land if you just want that helicopter view of what's going on at any given time. Again, we'll fly through this, but we have an inbox the same as everything that we have in all the other tools. We have a documentation home, which is good because it's easier just to have one tab where we can find all our documents rather than take a look inside each project. But with that said, you also have these search bars which search everything anyway. So with the keyword search, it really does make finding tasks, boards and documentation very easy. Now, another item we have here that you don't see on or additionally to the other tools is timesheets, which is a great adage. But we're just on a quick walk around, so let's fly into spaces. So as you can see here, spaces are very similar to what you would find in Asana under Teams. And here you can see I have created a space called clients and put a couple of our clients in here just to kind of demo this environment. So here we have Van Warner is a solar company we work with, and Courageous Resolve is a non-for-profit. So let's go in and take a look around. Now, as you can see, the team and the team is clients, and it's broken down into these folders, which are the projects. And as you can see in the projects, we have these different boards. So for instance, you have the trusted Kanban view, which is a view we see with a lot of clients that are looking for an easy to use project management or CRM solution. And here, as with all other tools, it is drop and drag, but also we can set the automations within ClickUp to do exactly the same. So, for instance, a built-in automation here is the task complete, which is automatically going to move it to complete stage. But we can go above and beyond that and build out automations that suit you and your workflow. So go diving deeper in with click through, and you can see, as with a lot of the project management and CRM tools, we get these pop out windows that we can really dive deep into the task and any custom fields that are added. Now, as you can see, we've just added one here, custom field for the predicted costs. But the good thing about ClickUp, and even at the free level, is you can add these custom fields in there. Now, bear in mind, with Asana at the free level and other tools, you can't create these custom fields, which is an added benefit of ClickUp, which gives a lot of people, takes priority for a lot of small businesses just starting to scale or build out from startup, because it's a free tool they can use to help systemize their business. Now again, you've got the statuses, we can assign it to anyone in your team, the descriptions, add subtasks as you see across the board, and again action items. And again, we can add the attachments. So again, very intuitive, helps and holds all the information you will see across other tools, but with the added benefit of a lot more functionality at the free level. Now again, we can build out different types of views, the same as most of the software out there. But the one thing I love about ClickUp is most of these views are free at the free level. So here we have the exact Gantt charts and we call it a roadmap, and gives us that helicopter view. Like if you're working on a construction site and you have a construction timeline, when you build out your projects, it is going to automatically build out this Gantt chart for you, which is amazing. As anyone in construction knows, that these generally mean having to purchase a separate bit of software. And again, we can run sprints, and there's a million different types of boards and methodologies we can use for project management inside of ClickUp. So all around, it's a great little tool. We also have this added project notes, and this is something we see in other software but under different headings, but it's great to just have it within these folders. So I really like the unique usage of files here. Think of Asana and portfolios, very similar laddering up. Now, there is a multitude of other functionalities you can do here, but if you're just looking for a project management tool, or even build out a CRM that is ready to go, is cheap and easy to build, then ClickUp's definitely going to be an option for your solution. Now listen, reach out, they're Tech Connected. This is what we do. We go through discovery and understand each of your unique businesses and your product and project lifecycle to really recommend a solution that works for you.